Look, after I open what I found. First, yesterday I changed bank to phaser and VCT solenoid, and this code is gone for the time in advance in the cam, and I was sure that I will have the bank one then after I did the bank 2, because it's always happened with me. So I took the cover off, and let me show you what I found here. You can tell if you look at the phasers. You see this arrow over here? This should be straight up with the middle part right there, and you can see how far it's about 2 inches far. This means this phaser is bad. Let me show you the new part. Like I said, when you hear the crabby noise, rattling noise, and you feel like the timing will jump out of the engine. So don't be scared. Just get this part today. It's about $200 from Ford. New phaser. I'll show you the difference now. It's raining outside here. Comes with a brand new bolt. Brand new bolt. Should grease it. Let me show you. See this arrow over here? It should match with the center one over here. Like I show you over there. See the arrow where? That means the phaser is bad. Like you see though, when you drive it and you feel the car is like it idle so bad, and this what happened here is this phaser going back and forth like that. You hear like tuck 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 tuck. So that's 100% is a problem. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you would.